Yo, 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 what's up, people? Welcome back to True Fluency Hub, the coolest corner of YouTube where English learning is actually fun. I'm your buddy Raza, and guess what? I'm not alone today.
That's right. It's me, Fatima. Hi, guys. So, today we're talking about how to speak English confidently, even with strangers. Yeah, I know. Scary word, strangers.
Yeah, talking to strangers can be terrifying. Like, brain stops, mouth forgets English, and your confidence just disappears.
Exactly. But don't worry, fam. We've got 5 super simple tips to help you sound confident like a pro. Ready? Let's go!
Tip number 1, make your me script. Okay, first things first, your me script. Think of it like your mini intro movie trailer. Just 3 or 4 sentences about you, like, my name is Fatima, I'm from Dhaka, I'm learning English, and I like coffee.
Of course you do. You literally turned into a zombie without coffee.
Yeah, caffeine is my love language, okay? Anyway, this little script is your safe start. When you meet someone new, boom, no panic, just talk.
Tip 2, ask easy questions.
All right, moving on. Talking is not a speech, it's a conversation. Both people talk.
Exactly. So ask chill questions like, what's your name? Where are you from? Do you like music?
See? So easy. Keep it light, keep it friendly. You're not interviewing them for a job, bro.
Tip 3, listen and react.
Okay, real talk. When someone's speaking, don't just stare at them like a robot.
Yeah, show you're listening. Nod, smile, and drop little reactions like, oh, really? Wow. Nice.
It makes the other person feel great, and bonus, it gives you time to think of what to say next.
Win-win.
Tip number 4, don't fear mistakes.
Okay, this one's big. Stop being scared of mistakes.
Yeah, seriously, it's called communication, not grammar Olympics. Even if you say, he liked coffee, people still get you.
Wait, no S at the end? Grammar police incoming.
Relax. The goal is to connect, not to be perfect. Every mistake is one step closer to fluency.
Tip 5, practice alone.
Here's a fun one. Practice talking to yourself.
Yup, in the mirror. Don't worry, your reflection won't judge you.
Say, hi, my name is Fatima, or read a short story out loud.
It's like a workout before your mouth, your very own mouth gym.
Exactly. You'll sound smoother, faster, and more confident every day.
So, moral of the story, small steps lead to big confidence.
Yep, speak a little every day, make mistakes proudly, and watch your English glow up.
And hey, if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Oh, and don't forget to drop your me script in the comments. We'll read them and maybe even feature you in the next episode. Both together. Stay confident, stay awesome, and keep learning with True Fluency Hub.